So there is this Windows video editor which I've found. I think it's Windows 10 video editor, which has been on my computer for many years without even saying it. I've just seen it today and I think I should share it with you today. I've just found it today. Let me open it for you and I take you through it and you see how it's working, how it works. It is right here. It is the simplest and yet it is the most easiest video editing software that I've seen so far, which comes with Windows. And if you just open it, this is how it looks like. After you open it, it gives you the option to choose the video name, the video title that you want to create. And in this video, I would like to just keep it new video. Let's leave it as new video and let's just click OK. Now once you open it, this is how it looks like. This is the interface. You have to add in project to import projects to the editor to start editing, and this is where you do it from. You add projects by clicking on this little add here or the plus button, this add button here that you're seeing, and let's go ahead and click that, and it gives you the option to choose either from this PC or from my collection or from the web. For this video, let's go with this PC, from this PC, and we shall be getting footages from this PC. So just get the videos wherever you want, where you want to get them from your PC, from the web, or now in this video let's get them from there are some videos that we downloaded here from the web. Let's import them into the editor. Let's import one by one. So as you're seeing, it is very easy to get them. So after importing the video, you easily add them to the editor by dragging, as you're seeing here, drag item from the project library here. So dragging them from the project library up to this timeline here, and then you start making changes with it. So I would like to add more than one footage. Let me add like 5 or 6 footages, and then we start editing them. That is so far one that has been added. I'm going to add some more others like this. You can add them all at once if you want, and let me go with all of these ones. So as you can see, the files are being added to the editor, and I'm going to drag them and bring all of them to the timeline, as you see. So all of them are at the timeline, and I want to start making changes to this video editor and you see how it works. First of all, you can start by adding a title card to your video, but that is the first video that I want, the first footage that I want for you guys to see here. This title, you can make changes by adding the title to it. It is just like the first slide that you see after seeing the video, and it is easy. Just right click and click on this word edit here, and then edit text. Now I want to make to type in some word here. As you can see, you type the word here. Let me type it here. As you see there, then I can add some animated text style here. As you can see here, there is simple, there is love, there is joy, there is what. Now let me go with this joy here. Welcome to TV Ariel, this one. Let's go with that, and then I'll go to done here. Before done, let me first click here the preview, and you see how it's going to look like. It's going to look like that. Welcome to TV Ariel. That's the preview that we are having right now. Let me go ahead and click done, and as you can see, you can preview here all the footages that you have added, and then if your footage is having some audio that you don't want in it, you can just click on this adjust volume here, and you either lower or you increase the volume of any clip that you have. Now for this one, let me just put the volume off. I want all of these ones to have their volume turned off because I want to add other audio onto it. So let's have it turned off. Let's have it turned off. So that's it. That's it. I have to show you how other things are working in this editor. So after that, you can add your trim. You can trim the video that you have, either wherever you want to trim it from. Like for this one, you can trim it from the middle here. It is very easy. You just put the cursor where you want to trim from, and then you click OK. As you can see, I've trimmed it, and now I have separate clips, as you can see here. And then you can separate. It is also the same story. You can separate from wherever you want. Now you see I'm having separate clips, this one and this one. Then I can decide to drag this and I put it here, or drag it and put it here, literally wherever I want it to be. That is where I can put it. And then for the text, you can choose whichever clip that you want here, and you add the text. Let me add here text, and you see how it looks like. Now for this one, I'm going to just add the word subscribe. Subscribe today. Subscribe today. And then I want to add in some little animated text styles here. Let me add adventure style, and let me see how it's going to look like. Let me see how it's going to look like. That one. Now let me leave it right there and click done. So after that, the word is already there. So what else you can do with this software? You can add the motion effects. You can add, but let me not go into these ones. You can add, after the motion effects, you can add the 3D effects. You can add the filters. Now the 3D effects are here. They are coming in a little time. They're here. You can add any of these ones into your editor. All of them are free to use to make your video. You can add them there, and then you can adjust the speed. You can delete the clip that you don't want from your editor. You can do anything, but what I want to do is to add the background music here. You can decide to add the background music into your video to make it spicy. And as you can see, I can select a music. As you can see, I select music track. The music automatically adjusts to the length of the video. To import and add your own music on your own tracks, go to custom audio. Now let's use this one that is already in the editor, which is a happy beat. I just want that one to be in the editor, and click done. So this one is already there. Let's first play it and see how it looks like. So that's it. It's very interesting. You're not going to play the whole video. It's time consuming, yet it's very interesting. But what I want to show you at last is how you can export your video. First, you can add your own custom audio to the video by clicking here and choose the music track that you want to add by clicking add audio file, and click and select the music track that you want to add to your editor. Or after doing that, you can click done here after adding your custom audio. But what I want to show you here right now is how you can export your video after it's been done. And to do that, you can just click here on finish video, and you can choose whether you want to finish to export a high quality 1080p, a medium, a 720p, or a low, a 540p, the small size, the smallest file size. But let's go with this highest one, 1080p, and then export it. Let's export it to, it gives you the option to choose where I want to export it from, to export it to, but let's put it here, right there where it is, and let's just click export. As you can see, it has started exporting the video. It is actually very easy to use. I've just seen it today. I didn't know that it was on my computer for all these years. I'm so surprised. I'm going to start editing videos with it. I've been using another software that is too hard and too difficult to learn, but this one is very easy to learn. You can also start using it today and start making videos with it. It's very easy. It comes with Windows 10. That's what I think. It comes with Windows 10 because my computer uses Windows 10, and you can start editing videos with it. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Please, you can subscribe and stay connected.